Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2009 to 2017 Volkswagen Polo? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems.
Engine compartment fuse box.
The engine compartment fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2009 to 2017 contains high amperage fuses that protect key systems like the ABS, cooling fan, ECU, and starter. It ensures safe operation by preventing electrical overloads in critical engine components. The onboard supply control unit fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2009 to 2017 manages fuses for interior and comfort systems such as lights, central locking, and infotainment. It helps regulate and protect the vehicle's electrical distribution network. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the Volkswagen Polo 2009 to 2017 protects and distributes power to essential interior electrical systems such as the dashboard electronics, interior lighting, power windows, and climate control. It contains low amperage blade type fuses for easy identification and replacement. This fuse box plays a crucial role in maintaining the functionality and safety of the vehicle's cabin electronics.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative videos.
Thanks for watching.